If you ship into big box retail without a compliant carton label, you're looking at a chargeback, not a delivery. Getting the SSCC and the GS1-128 label right matters as much as getting the order right. Dynamic Ship for Business Central builds that compliance into the pack process. As you pack in the package worksheet, it generates the 18-digit SSCC from your GS1 company prefix and ties it to the license plate, so the carton stays traceable from the dock to the receiving door. It captures the contents, quantities, and weights the label needs, and starts you off with sample label reports your Microsoft partner tailors to each retailer's format. Different retailers, different layouts, same packing workflow, and it works with the EDI network you already use. To learn more, talk with your Microsoft partner or explore the links on this page.